Hello, my loves. It's Kasha Plannerista 101. Today we're going to be creating a spread in my catch-all planner. It is called Sketchy Florals, and it is a classic size happy planner. Today it's going to be for the week of January 13th through the 19th, and I'm going to be using the sticker book from Live Love Posh called Chic Planner. I did pick these really lovely images that are like light pink and dark pink and white line art. They're absolutely stunning. If this is your first time joining my channel, welcome. I'm so glad you found me. If you have been here before, welcome back. I'm so thankful you're here. As you guys can probably hear a little bit, I have been sick, and my sickness is been dragging on for a little bit. So I am not fully sure what this week entails. I know it is National Sticker Day, so I did want to make sure that I can go ahead and celebrate that. It's also my sister's birthday, so it's always a double whammy for me. And I want that spread to be so perfect every single time. And I struggle between celebratory and stickerland. So that's where I am. And those black boxes, so I wanted to incorporate at least a little bit of black, as there's black accents within those stickers. And that's what I'm doing. So, and I'm gonna use those scalloped stickers from Mojo Jojo Plans. They are pastels, so that's what I wanted to use. Bring in like the softness of the stickers from Live Love Posh. So that's exactly what I'm going to be doing. So first off, I'm going to add some boxes because like I said, on Monday I have two things. I have a birthday, plus I have National Sticker Day. So yeah, let's go ahead and add a lighter pink right there. My light from the window is kind of hazy today, so it changes the tone just slightly of my stickers, but yeah, not bad. I'm gonna go ahead and use some washi in the spread as well. I absolutely love this, both of these actually. One has a very delicate pattern on it, the other one has polka dots, so I wanted to include them both. So let's keep going. I'm gonna start putting down some of these like floral elements so I see what I'm working with. And then once I do that, I'll have an idea of how much space I have left. Like I said, I am sick this week, so I am not exactly sure how many to-dos I will be able to fully accomplish. So let's give it a go. As you can hear, I'm probably still sniffly and I'm talking through my nose, so hopefully in a few days I will be much better. Hopefully you guys are staying safe and healthy, because there's a lot of nasty little viruses going around, so just do your best to stay well and hydrated. Clearly the stress of my life has gotten to me, and this is where I ended up. But anyway, let's put this beautiful pink orange with the dots. I really love it. And then how about I add a strip of this black and white from the book itself, and then we can use the remaining leftover washi for another day. Or actually we can use it in the spread. I'm gonna see if I can incorporate it in some way, shape, or form. But yeah, I feel like this is more a planner than a sticker day with the stickers that I have created, but you know what? It is all about the stickers are meant for a planner, at least in my world. I don't do much more with stickers than put them in my notebooks and planners. I don't know about you guys, but that's the main purpose for me. So I kind of treat them like one and the same. Look at this little travel notebook. Like, how cute with that big bow. I said, Live Love Posh has seriously the cutest stickers ever. And I am very fortunate to be their affiliate this time around. So you can use Kasia10, KASIA 10 to purchase stickers. I truly, truly appreciate you guys showing me support. So let's go ahead and create some beautiful little checklists in here, because why not? You guys know that this is fully functional as always. So some of them will have a little bit more, some of them will have a little bit less of the checklist, depending on space and need and availability. So let's see how that pans out. And then I'm gonna decorate some more. So just a couple more. We have a little bit to go, and then that should be it. I think I'm gonna have a big one on like Friday and Saturday, and then just keep couple on Sunday. I'll even separate them. And I think that's gonna still give me some room to decorate and fill in the spread, as I do love a very full spread, you guys. Like, the fuller the better for me. So I will figure out what I'm gonna be doing in here. So I'm gonna cut off this and add, yeah, so let's just use up this beautiful washi. I do need it on this side too to kind of balance it out a little. So let's go ahead and do that again. Okay, and I kind of want to add the other washi that I have throughout, but I don't know. So let's take a look. On the side, I do need 2 boxes, so I'm just gonna place them on top of these. I know that's kind of counterproductive after making that beautiful sidebar, but it will peek through here and there. So I'm gonna go ahead and do meals and this week, and that's been helping me quite a bit. So I do like having those in my planner. Okay, now I'm gonna add just like little trinkets throughout to fill in the spaces that I really like. Let's add that coffee right there, since I have that coffee on the other side. Look how stunning this is. I'm gonna add all of these like really fancy paper clips on this side. Yeah, this spread is making me happy for sure. Let me know what you guys think, because like I said, I know that it is a little bit different and probably not what you're expecting for National Planner Day. Oof, oh my gosh, National Sticker Day. See, all I can think about is planners, you guys. So yeah, that's kind of where I'm coming from. Look at those pens. Like, everything is so stunning. I cannot get enough. I'm gonna go ahead and cut this tape, washi tape, into smaller pieces, and then let's see if we can incorporate that into spreads. So that is definitely not the right chunk, but I'm gonna cut this in half and see if that will look better. I don't like it there. I kind of do want it right there, and I think that will look good. Yeah, that definitely makes it pop. So I'm gonna do the same thing for the black and white washing, kind of layer them. And then maybe I can just put some on the side here. Okay, I think I am done. I'm gonna pop this back into my planner. Thank you so much for hanging out with me. I am so grateful for you, and I'll see you soon for another plan with me. Thanks for watching, and have a great week ahead. Bye.